Hi everyone, it's Bonnie here, and I just have a really small project share, and this is I'm holding my camera because it's a large piece. This is the bird cage, the wall bird cage that Michaels carries, and it's in the oh geez, I can't remember. It'll come to me as I do the video, but it just looks like that on the back. It's going to be hard to show, but it looks like that. And it's all white. It has a little hanger there. And it's all white. This is a hot mess video. I am so sorry. But what I did... I'm so sorry. Alright, so what I did was, on the top of it... Oh, it's the Ashland. Alright, so what I did on the top of it was got tons of Ashland flowers. They're all on sale now for 50%. I think these half bird cages are as well. So I added some of these beautiful flowers. And then these sprays too. These are all Ashland. I thought those looked really cool. And I just used... yeah, this is terrible.